Everyone who invested in Wadi Villas trusted us with one of the most important decisions of their life, and that trust is something we carry with us every single day.
We have completed substructure, superstructure, blockwork, internal plaster, external plaster. We are now moving floor by floor on finishing works. Fall ceiling, tiling, bath and sanitary fitting, kitchen cabinets, doors, internal painting, external painting. It's all progressing well. Every pour you see has gone through strict testing and inspection process before we move to the next level. There were moments of uncertainty, moments that tested every developer in this region. But at Arista, we never once considered slowing down. Every milestone we set at the beginning of this project, we have met, and the next ones are well within reach.
At Arista, we believe in creating timeless spaces. Every layer of this development, from the ground up, goes through rigorous checks and inspections at every single stage, because we are not building for today, we are building for the families who will live here for decades to come. From day one, our vision for Wadi Villas was clear: to create something this community has not seen before, a development that sets a new benchmark not just in quality but in the way people experiencing living here.
Every day, this team come to work, no matter what happening around us. That is something I am very proud of. We never stop, not even for one day. The mock-up villa behind me, the progress on every block are the result of the team. Built it on time, no excuses.